Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe this time, and today we are making a new, different and unique vegetarian side dish recipe which is ideal to be had with rice or chapati or roti. So this simple recipe is made with potatoes and black chana. The ingredients list for this dish is given below, so do check it out. So let's start with the procedure. So I've got some preparation done. I've got the black chana which I've soaked overnight and pressure cooked. I've got the potatoes cooked and cubed. I've also cut the onions, spring onion and ginger and garlic and kept it ready. So let's start making the dish. So on medium heat, I've got some oil heating up here, into which I'm going to add some cumin seeds and let the cumin seeds brown a little. Once it's browned, we'll add in the ginger and garlic which I've chopped finely and then cook it for 2 minutes. Once these are done, we'll add in the finely chopped onions and saute it until they turn translucent. Now that the onions are done, we'll add in the cooked potatoes. I've just made it into small cubes. We'll toss the potatoes in the pan for a few minutes. About 1 to 2 minutes will do. So the potatoes have been tossed nicely. Now let's add in the sauces, which is starting off with red chili powder, some red chili sauce, some soya sauce, some vinegar, and lastly Schezwan sauce. You can use Schezwan chutney as well instead of sauce. Now I'm just mixing everything together so that the potatoes get coated in the sauces. So now I add the cooked black chana along with a little bit of the cooked water. Mix it together so that all the sauces coat the potatoes and the black chana. Now we'll cook it for 2-3 minutes until it's a little bit dry like this, and then add in the salt to taste as well as sugar to taste. Add a pinch of sugar only to just neutralize all the flavors. Now mix everything together and we'll let it cook for another minute or so. Now it's time to add the chopped green spring onions. Give it a nice toss. And your side dish is ready to be served. You can serve this along with chapati, roti, naan or rice dishes, and it's a good option for vegetarians apart from paneer and potatoes alone. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you the next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.